much empty at the moment. This is the stuff that pretty much needs to stay in here. And then I just cleared up the top. This is also the current situation that we're going to be dealing with. Closet is all done. I am very excited about it. This is our donation pile, as well as that's our donation pile. And we are throwing out a bunch of stuff as well. So here's our front closet. To me, I'm quite happy with it. We are getting rid of a lot of stuff and there's so much stress that is lifted off my shoulders. But I'm gonna leave my bathroom for another day because I'm done. I'm done for the day. I just want to relax. Greg's got to do some card stuff, collecting stuff at 5 o'clock, so I need to take care of baby and have my attention on him.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next week. You know, stay positive, stay safe.
I hope you guys enjoy this video, the episode 2 of Cut the Clutter. Like you said before, if you haven't, please subscribe and like. It does help out my little family. And if you want to see more episodes of Cut the Clutter and want to know when I upload, hit that notification bell and it'll let you know. Okay guys, bye!